Welcome back. Today we're going to be working on this 91 Toyota with the 3.0 in it, and we're going to be pulling the motor and jump right into that. Okay, once you pull the hood off, remove the skid plate and then start draining the coolant. Okay, the first things to start with up top are you're going to disconnect your battery right here with those 4 bolts, 2 bolts on each side. Reserve valve, pull your fan off, and then the air box, bolt down there, bolt right there, here, and do it there, and do it there. Disconnect this coil wire from there. You're gonna undo these grounds right here, going up ahead. You're gonna do your alternator plug, and then you're gonna undo this wiring harness. Unplug it, these two that needs to come out with the motor, which runs up here. You're gonna do the heater core one. You're gonna have to go up through under the dash to pull this wiring harness one. These 2 bolts to pull this whole mess out. You're gonna basically disconnect this all the way up so it comes out with motor. The fuel line down here off of this nipple, move it up out of the way. Same with the one that comes up to here, and then the actual fuel line. You're gonna undo this fuel line that comes up right up here. Pop this paneling off over here. Your ECU, you got a bolt here for it, and you got a bolt here and then there. Then you just go pull it out of there. Alright, once you get under the car, you're going to have your 3 bolts over here for your exhaust going up to your header. And you can take your motor mount bolts off, and then you'll have to take your slave cylinder off over there. Off because there is a bolt behind it for your clutch, and then you're good to take the motor mounts out. We undo this brake bracket. There's 2 14s, they're kind of tucked up under there. Hook up for pulling the engine out, and then we're going to slowly break it away from the bell housing. Just like that, that's how you pull the motor. We're going to pop off this clutch and pressure plate to basically put it on the engine stand. That's how you remove the motor. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.